Good morning. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on industrial microbiology. Industrial microbiology, it's a branch of microbiology which deals with the study of industrial products produced with the use of microorganisms, involvement of microorganisms through the process of fermentation and produce important products for the mankind. So many products produced during the process of fermentation in industry and actual involvement of microorganisms. Now we are going to discuss here the product produced through the microorganisms and the examples we are going to discuss here. First of all, let me give an example of antibiotics. Antibiotics are highly against to the microorganisms. These are the drugs. Actually, these are the therapeutic drugs. Predominantly, penicillin, tetracycline are the highly important antibiotics produced during the process of fermentation in industry with the use of specific kind of microorganisms. Penicillin is produced from yeast, a fungal species, that is a Penicillium chrysogenum. Further, tetracycline also produced by a particular microorganism, that is a bacterial species. That is important to produce tetracycline against to antibacterial antibiotic. Further, enzymes are the biocatalyst produced by microorganisms through the process of industrial microbiology. Predominantly, they work in the various important things in laundry, proteases and lipases and other factory. These are the important for the preparation of chocolate and other ice creams where the glucose isomerase are used. Actually, enzymes are used for the conversion from complex substances into simpler one. And of course, they will split up into small things. Later, few food additives also produce in industrial microbiology. These are the vitamins, amino acids, citric acids. All acids can add into food or processed food. They can important for the shelf life of food, taste as well as value of nourish or nutritional things. Actually, some beverages, alcoholic beverages or might be chemical beverages produced from microorganisms through process of fermentation in industrial microbiology. These are the ethanol. Ethanol predominantly used in alcoholic beverages. Of course, further, alcohols, it's a type of alcohol, it's a gasohol, butanol, biodiesels and steroids are used for this purpose. Another industrial microbiological products, these are the highly important in biotechnological field. Actually, produce products through the process of fermentation in industry and they have actually important role in biotechnology. These are the human hormones, predominantly insulin and somatotropin. Actually, insulin is important to control the blood level, sugar level in blood, and these are the important to cure diabetes mellitus. Blood proteins are also produced during the process of fermentation in industry. These are the tissue plasminogen activator. Latter, immune modulators are the important to know their function. Predominantly interferons are the important to against infectious agents, tumor necrosis factors. These are the examples produced during the process of fermentation in industry. Thank you.